Every frozen French fry begins its life here in rich European soil, where Agria potatoes develop their signature golden.
Specialized harvesters unearth the potatoes while separating soil and stem residue. Agria potatoes are prized for their firmness and.
As the potatoes rise toward the receiving hopper, care is taken to minimize bruising. Agria potatoes are handled.
Crates provide breathable, protective storage for the freshly collected potatoes. Proper airflow prevents heat buildup, which could compromise. Transport trucks move the potatoes quickly to the processing plant. Short transit times preserve moisture levels and keep the potato.
Upon arrival, trucks pass through strict quality gates before unloading. This ensures that only premium Agria
increments. Forklifts guide each crate to the receiving line, where potatoes are gently transferred into large hoppers.
A pre-cleaning conveyor removes large debris such as stones and clumps of soil. It safeguards downstream machinery.
Optical systems detect and reject impurities with remarkable precision. Computer vision identifies objects based.
Potatoes travel into a flowing water channel, where strong jets remove soil and surface contaminants. The water flume reduces.
Rotating brushes treat each potato individually, removing stubborn dirt without damaging the skins. The washing stakers. The potatoes exit the wash line glistening and fresh. Excess water drains away to prevent dilution of starch levels later. Grading ensures consistent length and diameter, which is critical for uniform French fries. Premium Agria potatoes naturally.
Air jets precisely remove potatoes that fall outside size parameters. These may be sent to alternative product lines like wet.
Steam peeling uses high-pressure steam to loosen potato skins in seconds. This gentle method preserves potato flesh.
The intense steam softens the skins without cooking the interior. Time and pressure are precisely controlled to avoid.
Abrasive rollers wipe away the loosened skins cleanly. This step ensures a smooth outer surface for cutting. A uniform.
Another rinse removes any remaining skin fragments. Clean, peeled surfaces lead to beautiful fry shapes.
Goalies. Quality inspectors verify that the peel has been removed evenly. Any potato showing excessive blemishes is diverted.
Water jet cutters slice the potatoes into uniform fries using high-pressure streams. This method reduces mechanical stress.
Grid blades create perfectly straight fries with minimal fragmentation. Their alignment is optimized for premium length cuts. The freshly cut fries form a consistent stream, each piece matching in size and thickness.
Rinsing removes excess surface starch that could cause clumping during frying. The chilling water also firms the fries' structure.
Agitation ensures all sides of each fry receive equal washing. The water gradually clears as starch content drops. Clean fries absorb oil more effectively and cook more evenly.
The fries move onto screens, where fans remove excess moisture. Proper drying supports accurate blanching temperatures.
The next stage prepares the fries for partial cooking. Blanching stabilizes color, texture, and flavor.
Blanching partially cooks the fries to stabilize their color and internal structure. This gentle heat treatment ensures the fries retain their goodness. Hot water jets circulate evenly around the fries, ensuring consistent heat penetration. Precise temperature control prevents.
As blanching progresses, natural sugars within the potatoes activate. This helps create a vibrant golden color in the fry.
After blanching, the fries must be dried to the ideal surface moisture level. Air blade systems blow moisture away.
Warm, filtered air gently dries the fries while keeping their internal moisture intact. This balance between
Removing excess moisture ensures that oil absorption remains controlled during frying. Excess water would cause splattering.
Par frying partially cooks the fries and creates the signature exterior crust.
The oil temperature is precisely controlled to avoid overbrowning. Just enough heat is applied to create a thin.
Mechanical paddles move fries evenly through the oil to ensure uniform cooking. Every second in the fryer is.
When fries emerge from the oil, they carry a subtle golden glow. This color deepens after freezing and final frying.
Gentle vibrations help separate the surface oil from the fries.
This motion keeps the fries from clumping while maintaining shape.
Cooling stops the cooking process and stabilizes the fries' structure. Rapid cooling prevents over-softening and locks in the
protectors. Cool air reduces the fries' temperature gradually without causing condensation. Proper temperature control maintains product.
Optical sorters analyze every fry using color, length, and defect markers. Premium fries must
into panel. High-intensity lighting reveals spots, dark edges, or undercooked areas. The system uses advanced algorithms.
Air jets eject damaged or irregular fries instantly. This ensures only perfectly shaped fries progress.
Metal detectors protect consumers from foreign objects. Even tiny fragments trigger alarms. Any contaminated batch is automatically diverted for inspection.
Advanced sensors scan continuously for anomalies. Safety remains highest priority in food processing.
Individually freezing locks in flavor, texture, and color. The fries move through ultra-cold air currents that freeze them with
momentum. A vibrating mesh keeps the fries from sticking together as they freeze. Each fry becomes individually frozen.
Instant freezing forms microcrystals inside the fries, preserving their soft interior. Slow freezing would create large.
The fries exit fully frozen and ready for packaging. Sub-zero staging prevents thawing as they travel.
Frozen fries become brittle at this stage, requiring careful handling. Conveyors move at controlled speeds to produce.
Multi-head weighers split the fries into consistent portions. Their sensors calculate exact weights within milliseconds. Each bucket releases its contents when the ideal weight is reached. This precision eliminates human error and perhaps. Packaging begins with food-grade film unwinding into the forming machine. This film will become the protective bag that holds the ulcer.
The film folds around a forming collar to create continuous tube. Heat sealers then close the vertical seam.
Before filling begins, the packaging receives printed batch codes and dates. These markings ensure full traceability.
Frozen fries fall precisely into the preformed bags. Automated weighers release the exact quantity at the perfect.
The fries enter the bag gently to prevent breakage. Their frozen, brittle state requires soft handling. Every motion is engineered to protect quality.
Sensors verify that the fill level meets programmed standards. Even small irregularities can affect sealing.
Heat sealing jaws close each bag with a strong, airtight seam. This seal protects the fries from moisture and oxygen.
Many frozen fry lines flush the bags with nitrogen to remove oxygen. This atmosphere.
Cooling the sealed seam stabilizes the plastic and prevents splitting. This quick cooling step ensures each bag remains.
Checkweighers confirm that every bag meets its target weight. Any bag that deviates is immediately.
Metal detectors scan every finished package one last time. Even the smallest metallic contamination triggers an alarm.
Rejected bags move automatically to an investigation lane. There, female Caucasian technicians review the
Compact conveyors remove excess air inside the bag's interior. This step shapes each bag for efficient boxing. Proper shaping prevents damage during carton loading.
Frozen fries tend to trap cold vapor. Compacting and shaping remove these pockets and create a uniform silhouette. Carton erectors fold and glue cardboard sheets into sturdy boxes. These boxes protect the lightweight frozen.
Completed cartons advance to the loading area in perfect formation. This orderly movement keeps the production line flowing.
Robotic arms arrange bags into cartons with exceptional precision. Their programmed motions ensure
the grippers apply the right amount of pressure to lift delicate frozen bags. Too much force could break the fries. The machines balance strength with sensitivity.
Each carton is filled according to a predetermined pattern that optimizes space. This structured arrangement supports
folding arms close each carton's flap smoothly. The glue sets instantly to secure the box. Proper sealing protects the fries from cold chain fluctuations. An optional tape strip reinforces the carton's strength. This added layer resists tearing and improves handling durability.
Integrity scanners verify that each box is completely sealed and structurally sound. Any irregularities trigger immediate.
The finished cartons now enter the palletizing area. Here they will be stacked into tall, secure units with
Robotic palletizers build perfectly aligned stacks. Each movement is calculated to maintain balance.
Layer separators prevent slipping between rows. This reinforcement helps maintain the pallet's integrity during long journeys.
Oddlysatisfying. Each pallet is wrapped tightly with stretch film to secure the cartons in place. This protective layer, the tensioned film hugs the cartons firmly without damaging them. Consistent pressure ensures the pallet remains intact.
Labels containing batch codes and destination data are applied to each pallet. These markings provide full traceability.
Frozen fries are stored in vast, temperature-controlled warehouses kept well below freezing. These conditions.
Tall storage racks maximize vertical space, allowing thousands of cartons to be held in perfect order. Sensors track temperature, humidity, and stock levels in real time. These automated systems alert staff instantly if.
When retailers place orders, automated systems identify the correct pallets and direct warehouse teams to retrieve them.
The pallets exit long freezer aisles and approach temperature-controlled loading zones, maintaining cold chain integrity. Dock plates form a tight seal between warehouse and truck. This connection prevents warm air from entering the frozen.
Refrigerated trucks maintain sub-zero temperatures throughout transit. Pallets are positioned carefully to ensure airflow.
Units. Locking bars prevent pallets from shifting during transport. Stability protects both the cargo and the vehicle.
A tamper-evident seal secures the shipment. This seal ensures that the load remains untouched until it reaches its destination. From the factory, trucks travel across cities, regions, and countries. Their insulated design shields the fries from.
Distribution centers receive multiple frozen shipments daily. Fast unloading preserves temperature stability.
Scanners confirm pallet identity instantly, matching shipments to retailer records. This digital verification.
Retail freezers maintain strict temperature controls to protect product quality. Workers store the cartons in rotation to ensure.
Packaging design and shelf placement influence consumer choice. Premium frozen fries stand out with their bright, crisp.
A customer selecting a bag of fries is the final step in a vast production chain. Behind that moment lies precise engineering.
Ready-to-cook fries offer ease and speed. Their uniform shape ensures even cooking. The par-fried crust guarantees a crisp finish with minimal oil.
Heat activates the carefully built texture created in the factory. The fries crisp on the outside while staying soft inside.
The final product showcases the rich color of agria potatoes and the engineered crispness achieved during production.
This packaging symbolizes the entire process, from soil to factory to freezer aisle. Every detail pillars. The interconnected machinery forms one seamless ecosystem. Each stage relies on the last to create consistent.
From raw potatoes with rich yellow flesh to crisp, golden fries, the transformation is remarkable.
The factory stands as a pillar of innovation and global distribution. Its influence spans agriculture.
This documentary has revealed every step behind frozen French fries. Understanding the process highlights the
From premium potatoes to golden perfection, this is how frozen French fries are truly made.